Today's video I will be showing you how to change your email on your account on Bluesky on the account settings, easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this Bluesky application and then go to these three lines, and next go to the settings, then go to the account, and here you will find the change email. Now as you see here, enter new email address, so you can add your new email and click request change, and that's it. That's how to change your email easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and that's it. See you in the next video.